Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the beautiful Sunshine State of Florida. There it is. Beautiful Sunshine State. Can't beat it. So this video, I'm going to go and install those HD hair lift bags for my car. Well, not for my car, for my truck. For when my car is on the trailer because it sags in the back. So I'm trying to help with the weight distribution, keep the front end down, and even wear on the tires. So this video is going to be the install of the Airlift 1000 HD bed raiser bag, or whatever you call them, helper bags, to help the truck from squatting down so much. And as usual, if this is your first time checking out the channel, please remember to hit that subscribe button down below, like, share, comment, hit the bell icon for future uploads, and we get a chance to go back and check out my previous videos. But let's get into today's video. All right, here's the car on the trailer with the truck. So I'm gonna get some measurements after I'm done, but what it is, the truck, as you can see, is down to my chest, so it's really low on the back with the weight on there, and it kind of let the truck kind of dance around a little bit in the front. You can see it's up a little bit more in the front than it is in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and, get some numbers after I do the install, and then we're gonna compare it to see if it really squats down as much with the bags installed. All right, welcome back to the video. Well, it's the same video, just a different day for me. The great Sunshine State of Florida, always sunny. I'm Quentin. So back to at hand, I got the trailer off, got the car off the trailer. So now I'm gonna do the install of the bag. Airlift 1000 HD. This is what the bags look like. I got the tougher bag because the car is heavier, so I went with a tougher bag. In order to get it, you're gonna have to kind of like squeeze it and roll it up like this. Taking me a couple of days just to get to this part because these bags are tough. And I've jacked the chuck up. I got some jack stands, and what you're supposed to do is go ahead and try and finagle that bag in between the springs. So I'm gonna go in there, got it jacked up, jack stands. Got this one. I'll show you how to get the air out of this one. As I said, it's a lot of work. So I'll go ahead and show you how to put the bags in. All right, so here's the bag. I have this squished up as much as I can. I have the suspension hanging down. They said to try and find the spot to get it in. It's a lot easier said than done. So I finally got it in. So I got the zip ties on there. Only squished one finger. My thumb. No one needs any thumbs anyway. So now I'm taking a breather again as I lay here underneath my truck. Contemplate, where did I make that left in Albuquerque when I should have made a right? So here I'm going over the directions, taking a breather. And for you guys who don't know about the left in Albuquerque, that's from Bugs Bunny back in the day. So I got this far, got this up here. I tried it with a blunt object before, it does not work. I've actually left it in the sun, let it melt down, put 2 knees on it. I got the other one in the sun right now, so I'm gonna try, when I do the other zip tie, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the process. So now it says I gotta take the spacer, put it in there, and run these hoses. Oh man. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the hose through up there, run it down, and then connect it, then cut the bag so when it comes back up, I could just plug it up easier, screw it together easier than trying to go from the top, since I'm already down here at the bottom. So yeah, that's where we are with this. Whew. Man, it's hot. It's like 100 degrees, but it's cool underneath here, and I'm gonna get to it. So I'm gonna pull it all the way through, move this air line out of the way because I'm gonna have to cut some of it for the T. So I got it over there. Come on, camera, stay on. Won't you, mate? Oh my goodness, who's calling me now? The most inopportune time. Nobody but potential spam. I don't care about my truck's warranty. I've already voided it. And I'm voiding it right now as we speak. Alright. So I got it all the way up through the top. Just got to remember. Actually, I'm going to put that other one on. Put this hose piece on first. Take this. Slide it on there. Then I'm going to take this and put it on here. But it's a little... you know it always work. A little spit. A little spit ain't never hurt anybody. Oh, yeah. Got the barbs on it, so you just gotta force it on there. Come on, almost there. Alright, got it touching flush. I'll take that. Now it's tied on there. So this will screw into the bag. So let's go ahead and cut the bag off. Well, not cut the bag off, cut the straps off the bag. Alright, so here it is. Take a swig. Always gotta hydrate. So I'm gonna start off with these two zip ties right here. And then I'm gonna take this off. Let all the air out. Move that. I'm gonna put my knee on it. Go like that. And try and put the screw back on. Alright, so the cap's on. Got these. I said to try and roll it like a hot dog. Alright. So got this part like a hot dog. Use the other knee. Slide this over. And cinch it down. Then and take this with my same knee. Ah, you mother sucker. Alright, I got all the lines plumbed up. I put it right there. The lines are zip tied up. It said to first do it is to put 5 psi on it. So I'm going to set this to 5 psi. Then we'll plug it up and see what it does when it does it. 5? That's quick. So it didn't, they all didn't inflate all the way yet. So I'm gonna bump it up to, what? So it's 5 PSI. Ain't no way that's all that PSI. Is it blocked up? That's 5. All right. And they're inflated and seated. 5 PSI. So now I'm gonna take the jack off and lower it to the ground. So got them all installed. Say to 5 PSI. It's at 5.14. It's been out there for a while, so it's holding. So that means it's not losing any pressure. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure it. I'm gonna leave it at 5. I'm gonna measure from the ground to the top of my wheel arch and see what I got. All right. So from the ground straight over the S, between the S and the R, I'm right at, what the heck? Can't see the sun. 38.5. I'm gonna put it to, I'm gonna pump it up to 35 PSI and see where I'm at. What's going on, man? Pumped it up to 35 PSI. Gonna go ahead and see where I'm at. So that gives me a whopping 1/2 inch. You really can't see, I'm trying to. So now I'm at 39. So it's at 39, at 35. So it went up 1/2 inch, and it's supposed to max out, I believe, at 55. Let me see what the book says. And it's still holding at 35. It was leaking. The pump would have kicked back on by now. So let me see what the book says. All right, I lied. It's 50. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up to 45. I'm not gonna take it up to 50. I'm gonna take it up to 45. I'm gonna see where 45 puts me on the height. So right there, it's at 45. Let's see where I'm at for 45. Back again between the S and the R. It says 39 still. I'm not sure what's going on, but it says 39. But the real test will come is when I put the trailer on it and see. All right, so as you can see, I have my buddy's Porsche on here. I have the bag system in, I only have 5 PSI in it. So I'm about to measure it right now and see where we at. Right now, we're at 37. We're at 37. So what I'm gonna do is I gotta take the trailer off. Well, jack the trailer up to take the pressure off of it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and inflate it to 45 PSI and see where it sits after we put the, the trailer back on. All right, so it's all connected back. Everything is hooked back up. Good to go back in here. So before it was at 37, so I'm gonna measure it right now to see where I'm at. So I actually got to 38. So I gained an whole inch on it. Let me get this. And then if you look, let me go back over here. If you look, the truck isn't squatting in the back anymore, even though the car is a little bit light, but we'll see once I put my car on there. But that's how it is as of right now. I like it so far. It works, because look at the gap in the back wheel versus the gap on the front wheel. So far I think it's a success and a good add to the truck. So again, I want to thank you guys for watching the videos. Please subscribe, hit that subscribe button down below. Tap it if you want to do so. Also, please like, share, and comment on the videos. Give it a thumbs up. You know, it's a different type of install. I do different things, so I really appreciate the love you guys have support, the love you guys have showed me on the channel. So again, thanks for watching the video, guys. Mission Flyer out.